Let's beat the heat this summer with a refreshing, energizing, and super healthy cucumber lemonade. Hello everyone, welcome back to Dash of Delight. I am Soumya. I've taken two cucumbers. These are medium sized cucumbers. You can also take English cucumber or just the regular one, anything would work. Now, every cucumber has two ends. One is the base and the other is the head from where it was attached to the plant. So cut off the head part and rub it rigorously. This process will release this milky white substance which will help to remove the bitterness of the cucumber. Then chop off this portion and discard it. Now peel it properly from all the sides. Similarly, I'm gonna prepare my other cucumber as well. After peeling, wash them under running water. Then start chopping them into small pieces. You can do this in manual chopper or food processor or even grate it. But since these are just two cucumbers, I found it easier to quickly chop it like this. Once you are done with the chopping process, take all the pieces in a blender jar, add 1 cup of water to it and blend everything until nice and smooth. Once it is blended properly, strain all of the juice into a big bowl and discard the pulp. Well, instead of discarding, you can also use this pulp while making roti dough or add it in your gravies, curries, lot many things. Now keep this filtered juice aside and in a separate bowl, squeeze out 2 lemons. You can also use limes, anything would work. Don't forget to discard these lemon seeds before moving ahead. Then add 2 heaped teaspoons of honey. Now since I don't use white sugar, so I'm using honey. You can also use jaggery powder or brown sugar here. In fact, if you guys use white sugar, there's no problem in using white sugar as well. It's just not considered a healthy sweetener, but that's absolutely your choice. Now mix this lemon and honey solution well and add it into this cucumber juice. If you want, you can also add a pinch of lemon zest here. Mix it properly. Then add half teaspoon of roasted cumin powder followed by a pinch of salt. Mix everything, then keep the entire bowl in refrigerator for a few hours or until nicely chilled. When chilled properly, pour it into the glasses, add some cucumber slices and ice cubes. Enjoy this delicious immunity booster summer drink with your loved ones and don't forget to subscribe to Dash of Delight for more such interesting vegetarian and vegan recipes. See you soon in the next episode. Till then, take care. Bye bye.